guys. I am here to talk to you about a Google Slides with audio. So this is a slowed down version, so that way you know exactly what you're supposed to have, like just really step by step. So first thing that you're going to want to do is
These are the top results.
make sure that you are in your Spanish folder, okay? That'll be the easiest thing to do. So in your Spanish folder, open that up. And you will wait and wait. All right, so you're in here. Now what you're going to want to do is New and Google Slides. Create and share. And you're in here. You can add a theme if you want, but you don't really need to add a theme. We'll do one for fun. What's pretty? What looks nice? Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. There you go. So this is our title slide. We're just going to call this title. Okay. And what you need is to already have created your audio for that particular slide. So what you can do is already create your audio and then go ahead and like for all of your slides, you can go ahead and create it for all of your slides, and then enter all of your audio, or you can create a slide, insert your audio, create a slide, insert your audio. You do you. Title slide, call it title. Over here, insert button. All of these fun things to insert, so many options, but we're inserting audio. So insert audio. These things happen to pop up because they're right here, but if you've done like a bunch of different things, you can come over here to recent, and you can come over here, you can search. Okay, I'm going to search for title, Title, .wave. And then there's a couple of different things. You could have it start playing on click. So that means you have to click on the actual like speaker, or you can have it click or do it automatically. You can loop the audio. So that means it's going to play for 10 seconds and then do it for 10 seconds and then 10 seconds and 10 seconds, etc. I'm just going to leave it on click, stop on slide change, right the way it is. Okay. So it's right there. Now you can move this. Okay. I'm going to move it next to right here, and I'm going to make it just a tiny bit bigger. So that way it's not like giant. Okay. When I'm making this, I don't want it to be like the biggest thing, because that's like really awkward. Okay. But I don't want it to be so small that I can't find it, because then if I can't find it, then I'm not going to be able to see it on yours. Does that make sense? So like a nice happy medium, so I can actually find it and then play it. Okay. So here, now I need a second slide. New slide. Oh, fancy. And I'm going to call it slide 1. Or I'm going to learn how to spell slide 1. Even though technically this is slide 2, the second slide on my slide deck. And then insert or press insert, and then audio, and call this slide 1, select, and it's going to put it in the corner and make it pretty small. Okay. Now it's proving a bit harder to get to because it is smaller. So let's see if we can't show, let's see. Well, maybe I should insert audio. Slide 1, select. Let's do position. Okay, so when I'm on my format options, I can actually make it a little bit bigger there. So I've got a slightly larger button here that I can use because for whatever reason, this is coming up and kind of like hiding over it and not letting me really like move it around, which is a little unfortunate and awkward. So just kind of play around with that and do as best as you can with it. So if you have any questions, let me know. I love you guys. Later. Bye.